Welcome back, students. So we have done articles A and N. Now this video is article the, explanation of article the. So we have done that article A and N both are indefinite article. Both are indefinite article because they are used before the thing which are not particular or which are not definite. It can be any. So a and an both are indefinite article. Now coming to article the. Article the, we call article the as a definite article, because article the is used before the item or before the noun or person or thing that are particular, that are specific, that are definite. It cannot be any. Okay, so this will be clear more. This will be clearer with the examples. We use a and an when we talk of any person or thing. We use the when we talk of a particular person or thing. Particular person, that means definite person. Definite person, that means it cannot be any. It cannot be any. Any means वो कोई भी नहीं हो सकता है, but it will be definite. For example, give me a pen. Give me a pen. That means it can be any pen. Give me a pen. Give me a pen. It can be blue, black, green, or red. It can be any pen. Give me a pen. It can be any pen. But when we use the, when do we use the? Give me the pen in your pocket. Now this is specific because I don't want any pen, but I want the pen which is in your pocket. I don't want any other pen, but I want the pen which is in your pocket. Give me the pen which is in your pocket. That means I'm asking about that pen only. I'm asking to I'm asking you to give me that pen which is in your pocket. I don't want any other pen. So give me the pen in your pocket. This is particular pen. Earlier it was any pen. And why did we use a? Because article a, because pen is beginning with the consonant sound, that is P. Understood? And we will use when the word before which it is used should begin with a vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U. Now coming to the, give me the pen in your pocket. That means we are talking about the particular pen. Same way, open a window. Open, why we have used a here? Because it can be any window. There are so many windows, 4 or 5 windows are there. Open a window. That means I am giving you a choice. I'm giving you a choice that you can open any window. आप अपनी चॉइस का कोई भी विंडो खोल सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देर आर 4 विंडोज. यू कैन ओपन एनी 1 विंडो ऑफ योर चॉइस. अंडरस्टूड? सो गिव, ओपन अ window. It can be any window, but when I say open the window on your right, that means I want you to open the particular window. मैं उसी विंडो को आपको ओपन करने को कह रही हूँ जो आपकी राइट साइड पे है. सर वही विंडो ओपन करना है. इट कैन बी लाइक योर विंडो कैन बी ऑन द बैक साइड, मतलब आपके पीछे भी हो सकता है, आपके लेफ्ट साइड भी हो सकता है, बट द विंडो विच इज़ ऑन योर राइट, आई एम आस्किंग यू टू ओपन ओनली दैट. सो ओपन द विंडो which is on your right. So this we are talking about particular window. I hope this is clear to you. So a and an is used with any person or thing, and the is used with a particular किसी एक specific, किसी एक definite person or thing के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं, when we talk, then we use the. Now we have done exercise G, fill in the blanks with a and the in the online class. Will again repeat in this video. So dash car is parked in front of our house. Now we don't know which car it is. It can be any car, so it should be, and it's beginning with consonant C, then it should be okay. A car is parked in front of our house. Now second, dash car parked in front of our house belongs to my uncle. Now this is a particular car. This is not any car. This is a particular car because this car belongs to my uncle. It is a particular car, so it should be the car. The car parked in, that car which is parked in front of our house. So the car parked in front of, that is why we will use the, because it is specific, it is particular. The car parked in front of our house belongs to my uncle. Third, he lost dash I in the war. He lost dash I in the war. Now this I word, this is beginning with the vowel sound which is E, so it should be an. He lost an eye in the war. Now coming to fourth, he lost dash right eye in the war. Now this is particular eye, we are talking about particular, which eye, left or right. So we are talking about a specific eye, that is right, that is, this is specific, particular, so it should be the. He lost the right eye in the war. Coming to Shalini, Shalini wrote dash poem. Now we don't know which poem it is, what is the name of that poem, so it should be a poem. Okay, Shalini wrote a poem. We don't know which poem it is. It is not specific. It is not particular, definite. So we will use a. Shalini wrote a poem. Now coming to sixth, dash poems written by Tagore are beautiful, are just beautiful. Now here we are talking about who, which poem, those poems which are written by Tagore. So it is particular, डेफिनेट हो गया. तो ये किस, उसी पोएम के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जिस जो पोएम्स टैगोर ने लिखी है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली दैट पोएम्स, सो इट शुड बी द पोएम्स. The poems written by Tagore are just beautiful. So the answers are a car, then the car, then he lost an eye, he lost the right eye, Shalini wrote a poem, and then the poems written by Tagore are just beautiful. Now coming to when should we use the, हमें द कहाँ यूज़ करना है, वेयर शुड वी यूज़ द. नाउ फर्स्ट इज़ व्हेन वी स्पीक ऑफ अ पर्सन और अ थिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. सबसे पहली बार जब हम बात बोलते हैं किसी के बारे में, देन वी यूज़ अ और एन, बिकॉज दैट इज़ नॉट स्पेसिफिक. दैट इज़ नॉट स्पेसिफिक मीन्स दैट इज़ नॉट पर्टिकुलर, इट कैन बी एनी. सो at first time, in the first sentence, we use a or an accordingly means if the word is starting with the consonant, then we use a, and when the word is starting with a vowel sound, then we use an. But when we talk about the same person or thing, in the next sentence, then we use the, because now we have made it specific. पहले में हमें नहीं पता था, but in the second sentence I am talking about that same thing or same person, so that is why we will use the. यहाँ पे हमने particular कर दिया ना इनको. पहले हमने बात की, हमें नहीं पता था, फर्स्ट टाइम, बिल्कुल फर्स्ट टाइम बात कर रहे थे, we were not sure. But second time when we are talking about the same thing, then we use the. For example, a dog ran after my brother. We don't know which dog it was, so it is a dog. A dog ran after my brother. Now we are talking about this same dog in the same sentence. In the next sentence we are talking about this same dog, so here it should be the dog was mad. A dog ran after my brother. The dog was mad. Now coming to second, here is a purse. We don't know which purse it was. Here is a purse, and in the second sentence now we are talking about this same purse, so now it has become definite. अब वो पर्टिकुलर हो गया कि हम इसी पर्स के बारे में बात करें और किसी पर्स के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो हियर इज़ अ पर्स, कीप द पर्स सेफ. Here is a purse, keep the purse safe. I give you the example. For example, I brought a book. We don't know which book it is. I brought a book for you. Now in the second sentence we are talking about the same book, जिसके बारे में हमने पहले बात की थी. I brought a book for you. The book is interesting. So here it will be the book is very interesting. I hope you have understood this one. A and an, speaking of something for the first time. When we talk about something, then we use a and an. Now coming to the, why we use the in the second, because we have made it particular, हमने उसको definite बना दिया. So speaking of it in the following sentence, the following means the next sentence, when we speak about the same thing or person, तो वो the हो जाता है. Then we use the because it becomes definite. Coming to the second thing, where do we use the with the names of the rivers? For example, the Ganga, the Nile, the Brahmaputra, the Kaveri. Okay, the names of the rivers, we use the. Then coming to seas, name of the seas. For example, the Arabian Sea, the Dead Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, the Red Sea. These are the names of the sea. Then we use the there. With the names of the oceans, for example, the Pacific Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean. These are the names of the ocean. Then we use the there. Then with the names of the mountain ranges like the Himalayas, the Shivalik, the Andes. These are the names of the mountain ranges. Then we use the there. Then with the names of holy books like the Holy Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. With the names of the holy books we use the, because वो बुक्स एक ही हैं. उन बुक्स भले ही बहुत सारी बाइबल्स आपको मिलती हो या बहुत सारे रामायण मिलते हो, बट इट इज़ रिटन वन टेक्स्ट कॉपी. ठीक है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपके किसी आपके फ्रेंड के पास भी रामायण होगी, और द भगवद गीता होगी, बट आपके पास भी होगी, बट जो उस पर लिखी हुई चीज़ें हैं वो तो सेम है ना. दैट इज़ सेम. ओके, सो it should be the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita, the Guru Granth Sahib, the Holy Bible, the Quran. These are the names of the holy books. The names of the newspapers, for example, the Indian Express, the Hindu. The Hindu is also the name of the newspaper. The Hindu, the Tribune. The Tribune is also the name of the newspaper. So name of the newspaper you will use the. Then coming to the names of famous buildings like Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal, then Red Fort, Parliament. These are the special buildings. So with them we use the Parliament, the Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal, the Humayun's tomb. These are the special buildings, names of the famous buildings. So now the next is the names of the trains. For example, the Himalayan Express, or the Himalayan Queen, not Express, the Himalayan Queen, the Pink City Express, then the Shatabdi Express. These are the names of the trains. So with the names of the trains also we use the there. And then with the names of ships, like the Titanic was the name of the ship, so the Titanic. Then Carpathia was also the name of the ship, Carpathia. Then the Carpathia is the name of the ship. So with these names of the ships we use the. I hope you have understood till here.